Want to start a side hustle right from your pocket? Today, we're diving into how you can make money selling domains using nothing but your smartphone. Domain flipping, or buying and selling website addresses for profit, is a lucrative business. But you don't need a fancy desktop setup. Your mobile device is powerful enough. Domain flipping involves identifying valuable, available domains, registering them cheaply, and then selling them for a higher price. It's a digital real estate game. Modern smartphones and mobile apps allow you to perform every step of the domain flipping process, from research to final sale, all on the go. Mobility is key. The first step to profit is finding the right domains. This requires a bit of research and creativity, which you can easily handle on your phone. Use your phone's browser and note apps to brainstorm niche industries, trending terms, and short, memorable names that potential buyers would want. Use mobile domain appraisal tools. These apps provide quick valuations based on market data, helping you estimate a domain's potential selling price. Utilize domain registrar apps. They let you instantly check if your brilliant domain ideas are available, saving you crucial time. Once you've found a winner, registering the domain quickly is essential before someone else snatches it up. Select a domain registrar with a reliable and user-friendly mobile app, ensuring the registration process is smooth and secure. The quick registration and payment features on mobile apps mean you can secure your domain in minutes, often with saved payment details. Now that you own the domain, it's time to list it on a marketplace and attract buyers. Choose a reputable mobile accessible marketplace like Sedo or GoDaddy Auctions. These platforms facilitate transactions securely. Set up your listing, including your reserve price. Be strategic with your pricing to maximize profit while remaining competitive. Write a compelling, mobile-friendly description that clearly states the domain's value proposition. Keep it concise, since many buyers view listings on their phones. Once the offers start rolling in, your phone becomes your control center for negotiation and closing the deal. Use email or the Marketplace app to quickly respond to offers and negotiate the best price. Timely responses are crucial in domain sales. Complete the domain transfer process directly from your phone. Follow the registrar's mobile steps to securely transfer ownership to the buyer. Domain flipping is accessible, profitable, and perfectly suited for the mobile entrepreneur. Remember the key steps: research, register, list, and manage offers, all using the mobile efficiency of your smartphone. Leverage mobile notifications to never miss an opportunity. By mastering these mobile-first strategies, you can steadily grow your domain portfolio and achieve financial success in the digital real estate world. Happy flipping!